पेश हुई एक ताज़ा रिसर्च रिपोर्ट में भारत को दुनिया का कैंसर कैपिटल कहा गया है। यह रिपोर्ट अपोलो हॉस्पिटल्स की ओर से अपने नए अध्ययन के आधार पर जारी की गई है।
भारत में 2025 तक सालाना कैंसर के 16 लाख मामले सामने आने लगेंगे, ये अनुमान है। भारत में कैंसर के हर 10 मरीज में से 7 की मौत हो जाती है। आप देख रहे हैं मोर्टेलिटी रेट क्या है।
मतलब क्या है, ट्रीटमेंट लेने के बाद जो खर्चा आपने कर दिया वो तो गया ही, और पेशेंट भी आपके हाथ से गया। डॉक्टर आपको भूल भुलैया में रखता है, अभी 6 महीने ठीक हो जाएगा, 8 महीने ठीक हो जाएगा, लेकिन अंत में वो जाता ही है। कभी भी ऐसा हुआ नहीं है कि कीमोथेरेपी लेके कोई बच पाया। तो आपके घर में, परिवार में किसी को कैंसर हो जाए तो ज्यादा खर्चा मत करिए, मेरी हाथ जोड़कर विनती है, क्योंकि जो खर्चा आप करेंगे उससे मरीज का तो भला नहीं होगा, उसको इतना कष्ट होता है कि आप कल्पना नहीं कर सकते।
It is for cancer. You would be surprised. We know what cancer is, but we don't know how to cure cancer. But we still give treatment which we know doesn't work. Chemotherapy and lot of things. And we know it doesn't work. But we still give it because it's a big business. You will be surprised to know that cancer business in America is $2.5 trillion business. So we want it to be perpetuated. And that is where Western medicine has gone astray. Western medicine has gone after the wrong science of reductionism.
That cell keeps growing. वो ब्लड का भी हो, बोन का भी हो, लंग का भी हो, कलेजा का भी हो, कुछ भी हो, एक ही जीवकोश नियंत्रण रहित उत्पादन करके कैंसर बन जाती है। इस बात का वो जीन में बदलाव आने का कुछ कारक हम हमारा खाद्य पदार्थ से दे रहे हैं। सो उसको कट करने से, उसको निकालने से, हमारा खाने से इसका परिष्कार मार्ग ढूंढ सकते हैं। और दवा डालने से कुछ भी नहीं होता है, रेडियोथेरेपी डालने से कुछ भी नहीं होता है, कीमोथेरेपी जाने से कुछ भी नहीं होता है।
Let me tell you something. If you take a problem to a specialist, he'll complicate it further. It takes a genius with lot of courage to reverse it and simplify it. And courage is very important. Actually, medicine is not a business. Medicine is a passion. Medicine is a passion, so you have to do it because you are committed to doing it. And many of us in India do not think with the Indian mind at all because we don't have an Indian mind. We live in India but think in America. So we want cancer, but we don't want cancer to go because cancer is a business. Supposing cancer business goes away, cancer disappears, you will be surprised. Industries will close. Quite a lot of industries will close. If your mind is pleased, your cancer is gone. You hate somebody, your diabetes goes up. You hate somebody, you get a cancer. The medical industry in the West runs the medical treatment methods, and they have the guideline committees. And recently they found that every guideline committee member takes millions of dollars of bribe from the drug companies, and they write it for the benefit of the drug company rather than for the benefit of the patient. And our doctors follow the American guidelines. I always tell them, don't follow the guidelines because guidelines are not genuine. They are not scientific. They are just business. But no, you can't convince our doctors. It's very difficult to convince our doctors. Actually, if we think on Indian lines, we can give Muktosava in heart disease, Muktosava in diabetes, Muktosava in cancer, and Muktosava in various other diseases.
The problem of corruption is not just in the federal agencies, it's in Congress too. Almost all the members of this panel are accepting, including yourself, are accepting millions of dollars from the pharmaceutical industry. Protecting their interests. We're the single largest acceptor of pharmaceutical dollars.
There's a big difference, Senator, between established science and the scientific establishment, which has been co-opted by the pharmaceutical industry. Hold on. So you're telling the American people that the American Medical Association, representing hundreds of thousands of people, have been co-opted and that they should not trust their doctors. And the American Academy of Pediatrics, and by the way, just for the record, every single Republican, I don't mean to be political here, Mr. Chairman, has received PAC money from the pharmaceutical industry. Are they all corrupt as well?
And I'm telling you, the American Heart Association has been co-opted by the food
Everybody but you. President Trump got $3 million. Every Republican got corporate PAC money for the pharmaceutical industry. Democrats as well. Everybody is corrupt.